Here is another video for LivePage Presenter package. This package comes with editor program and presentation program and hardware device, presenter device. What you see right now is an editor. This editor edits actual PDF file to convert them in interactive presentation. So let's begin. Here's a two-page PDF file. You see there is the back of the brochure and there's a front side of it. What I'll do is I'll show you with a zoom box feature. Zoom box feature simply requires users to draw little boxes inside of this PDF page. I can create a big box and then maybe I can draw a little bit smaller boxes like that, and even smaller middle box size like that. Key is the smaller box will reside inside this the bigger boxes, and then I can just move on to drawing more boxes like that, and I'll explain more details why I'm doing that. And I can do that like that, or like this, perhaps like that. And I'll save it. And I can use presentation mode from here, or I can use a separate program called LivePage Presenter presentation program. I can just open up this file. This is like PDF regular file, so it won't do much. But when I do presentation mode, it works differently. What you see right here is an actual virtual device, but the package comes with a hardware device. But this virtual device will show you like how to use it to these buttons. The first one what I can do is I can moving around with the up down. So down means I go to the next page. Up means I could go to the previous page. So I can, if there are more pages, I can just keep going down using this button. I can just go up to previous pages. The special the button is this right and left one, because the right one means those boxes I created. I can select them by going right as in next boxes, and then going left as in previous boxes. So if I go all the way, then this is the first box, then second and third boxes. If I go to the first one, and what I can do is, this is a focus zoom boxes or focus area on the boxes. But using this feature, if I press on OK, then what happens is that those area, it was a box, becomes enlarged. The key feature or advantage of using PDF is those text types are still vector type, and even if you increase, maybe like 1000%, doesn't really matter. It still retains the clarity, so it's much better compared to like image file. And as you notice that even the smaller boxes, I can also choose them to going on to the next one and move on like this. So let me go back to my first one. Let me do enlargement once again. So I can zoom in more details inside of the box. This LivePage Presenter is the winner of the e-learning Korea as an best business model. And we are also a finalist of the GESS Education Awards this year. So end of this month, February, they will announce the winner of the category. We are in innovation product category right now. So hopefully we have some awards, something that I'm wishing for. So the concept is very simple. I mean, it doesn't require much of effort to create this feature, but using PDF and then the editing tools, we are able to deliver this type. So based on our technology, this is an interactive PDF. So we are more likely the first and only one that actually use a PDF as an interactive media to provide like contents and so forth. And then the key feature of LivePage Presenter is the easy focus navigation and zoom feature. But also I can add audio, video, animation into PDF very easily. So let me go exit this file. So let me exit from presentation mode. Going back to my editor, let me show you what I'll do. So on the first page, let me do animation box. This box is also similar to a zoom box. All I need is just draw a little box around anything that you want to animate it. That's it. And there's some values, and later on you could change it to the faster animation, bigger enlargement, so forth. That you could do it. So I just created. And stamp is a you could actually add image or PDF page into PDF. So what I'll do is I'm going to choose another PDF file there, and this PDF file I can select the page that I wanted. So actually this is the history of our company. So I'll select this page. So as you can see, there's a PDF page that inside of the PDF page. So what I'll do is I'm going to create a zoom box area, this PDF page that I just embedded. And what other features that I have is that there is the box cell numbered like this. What I'll do is I'm going to change this the sequence number so that next time I use it, this will get picked first, whether I want to moving around to other boxes and later on I pick. So what I'll do is I'm just going to save it, and then I'll use it my presentation program to open up the file. And it won't do much. Well, actually, there's the animation that's going on. So if I open up, as you notice that there's the area that I created as an animation moving around like this, or actually zooming out. And then key feature of this PDF page, since this is a zoom area, what I can do is I can just press OK to zoom. So as I mentioned that this is still PDF file. So even though tiny image kind of the page was included or embedded into PDF, it still has the clarity of the PDF feature. So that's the main feature of adding more information into PDF. Okay, let me exit this file once again, and then going back to my editor, and then I created some more features. And as I mentioned that also we could include a video or audio. So simply then draw the area that you like to include a video or audio, and then I'm just going to choose one of the videos that I have. So I'm just going to create this video. I'm gonna use two videos in there, and I'm gonna show you why. And this video I can play in document player window. In document means that it plays inside of this document. Okay, I'll choose that feature, and then I'll create another video like this. This is going to be same video, and I'll use that same video. But now I'm going to change this into full screen, and I'm going to save it. And then what I'll do is, as I changed it, I'm going to change this one into 1 and 2, so that I don't have to moving around to boxes. So, and then I'll use it my presentation program to do presentation. And then what happens you see is there are two boxes that are going to be there. There's two videos. One of them plays inside of this. I just select this, so this video will play. Actually, okay, I can stop it, and then I can move on to the next one. Okay, this one will play full screen, so it's gonna play like this. So I'm gonna escape, and so yeah. So you can add actually video inside of the PDF file, and then those PDF files will play either inside of the small the area, or you can actually zoom in. Let me get out once again, and then ShowHide Box is where you're going to use it. So I'm going to use it on next page, and this is a little bit small, so I'll enlarge it. Going down to here. This feature of ShowHide Box is kind of where you could do it. So this is pen mode. So you got to remember this is pen mode. And what I'll do is I can just change it to different colors here, and I'll show what this one is. Okay, then let me just save it, and then let me play with this one. No, actually I didn't change the sequence, so let me go to the next page, and then as you notice that this one is selected, so I'm going to zoom it, and I can moving around this boxes like this. There are three I just created. As I mentioned, that going right is the next items, and then going left is the previous item. And then I can ask a question. So the currently selected this button, what do you call? What's the feature of this one? I mentioned that this is for next objects. If you select it, the show hide means that you can hide any area or any part of your documents, and then later on you can actually select it as, and you can just show it. So this is very easy tool, but effectively used for like showing hide like answers, and then you can ask questions, and then let them answer it. So I think that the main feature of LivePage Presenter is I mostly covered it, and this product actually utilizing any Windows PC that has any kind of monitor or display, projector, monitor, big screen TV. Doesn't matter. Those are mostly already in a classroom, so it doesn't require much of hardware and so forth. And this does not require any internet or service. And the product comes with perpetual license to use and then device. Okay, so this is a very easy, simple tools that you could use it, and hopefully this can help you showing and presenting your presentation. Thank you. Bye bye.